How's it looking?
Hi Nick, well it's the last week of August, which does mark the last week of meteorological summer, and actually weather-wise it does look to turn more cheerful as the week wears on, so I do have some lengthier, drier and brighter spells coming up in the forecast and turning a little bit warmer too. I think you'll notice the difference by the time we get to this weekend. As for the here and now though, most of us are seeing some outbreaks of rain. That's courtesy of this weather front. We do have this broad area of high pressure positioned over the near continent, and that's blocking the progression of this frontal system. So essentially that's why some of us have seen some wet weather for quite a bit of today, especially out to the west. So this is how things are looking this evening. Then further patchy rain and drizzle. I think most of this will tend to fizzle out, but then it will tend to reactivate overnight as that weather front still lingers close by. And that will come with quite a bit of misty low cloud too. Those winds will tend to ease and it will be a pretty mild night. Overnight lows down to about 13 to 15 Celsius. Into tomorrow's forecast then, we'll start off with this zone of cloud, mistiness, patchy rain and drizzle. That will clear its way eastwards. Behind that, visibility will tend to improve. It will brighten up nicely with a good deal of sunshine and just a few well-scattered showers. The winds tomorrow lighter than recent days, so typically light to moderate, southerly, then veering southwesterly, and temperatures climbing up to about 18 to 22 Celsius. Looking further out then on Thursday, this weak cold front will sweep away eastwards. Behind that, we'll introduce some slightly fresher conditions. So any patchy rain and mist initially will clear away eastwards. Then it will dry and brighten up for all of us too, with a good deal of sunshine once again. Temperatures slightly lower, so getting up to about 21 Celsius in the southeast, and those winds still on the light to moderate side. So Friday into this weekend, a ridge of higher pressure will extend across parts of Wales, and that does mean some lengthy dry spells in the forecast. Wouldn't rule out a few scattered showers at this stage, but it will also turn a little bit warmer. So you'll notice a difference in how it feels. With that does come some lighter winds, so I can imagine some patchy mist and fog developing at times. Another way to look at that then is through the outlook. So this weekend you can see those temperatures climbing back up into the 20s for more of us, so feeling a bit warmer and then a bit more unsettled early next week. That's your latest. Nick.
Wonderful news, Sabrina. Thank you very much.